can find drawers which are dangerous for children in any kitchen. We will show you that it is easier than you think to make your kitchen child-safe. You'll find everything you need in your Avantina set of child safety locks. And to make safety fun, you will also find an extra baby on board sign for your car. Please read the enclosed instructions carefully or follow the instructions in this video. In your product box, you will find screws for extra hold and 2 additional tapes in case you want to relocate your locks. For easy installation, use a ruler. If you do not have a ruler at hand, simply cut the provided paper ruler out of the instruction leaflet. The child safety lock is suitable for all commercial kitchens up to a cabinet door thickness of 35 mm. Before every installation, the surface should be cleaned to ensure optimal grip. The top of the lock catch should always point to the door. If the door closes like this outside, the catch can be attached directly to the edge. With the ruler, the adjacent walls of the cabinet are measured. The measured widths should be marked at the door. For the optimal and secure closure, add 7 mm to one of the measured lengths. Add the 7 mm to the side facing the lock catch. This is the upper one in the video example. You can now place your lock. Now the mechanism safely closes the door. The magnet key allows you to open the door at any time. You can attach the key to a top cabinet or wall section with a key holder. If you want to deactivate the protection of the child safety lock permanently, move the lever on the lock. The door can now easily be opened and closed. If necessary, simply refit the mechanism. If you need even stronger grip, you can screw on the child safety lock later. If your children are grown up and you no longer need the child safety lock, simply loosen the glue with a hairdryer.